Soccer DBB number 472, and that is one box of 2017-18 Topps Chrome Champions League Showcase. Every spot is two random teams. Sorry, one good team, one not so good team. First off, the not so good teams. Snake Eyes is reroll. Dice roll is for both randoms. Damn it, sorry. 6 times on both randoms. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got Dortmund on top, Man City, Chelsea at the bottom. Here are your not so good teams, and onto the better teams. Good luck. Also 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got Juve on top, Barca at the bottom. So here are all your teams. Alright, Ricky got Juve, Roma, Stefan Real, Davor gets Atletico, Adrian Liverpool, Berlin Cards gets Tottenham, Stefan gets PSG, Davor Bayern Sevilla, Ricky gets Barca, Dortmund Basel, Stefan gets Monaco, Davor Porto, Adrian Man United, Berlin Cards Sporting, Stefan Celtic, Davor Benfica, and Ricky gets Man City and Chelsea. Good luck, guys. Here we go. One box of Chrome. Alright, still have the case. Still a few teams left in the case break, guys. For Chrome number 16, sorry. Let's see what we get in this box here. Alright, here we go. One box of Chrome. Good luck, guys. First up, insert Coutinho for Liverpool. We have Refractor Oblak for Atletico. We got Neymar to 250 for PSG. We got Dali Ali. We got El Sharabi Refractor. Got Dembele for Celtic. We got Buffon for Juve Refractor. Then we got Mo Salah to 250 for Liverpool. We got Green, Lewandowski to 99 for Bayern. We got Vasquez, Refractor for Sevilla. Alright, this should have the autograph. Come on, give us a good one, please. Gareth Bale. Got Pogba. And we got Pizzi autograph for Benfica. And that is Davor. There you go, Davor. Autograph Benfica Pizzi. We got Sergio Rico Refractor. Got Griezmann, Neymar, and Refractor Leroy Sané. That's it for this one box break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.